Hey everyone, my name is Ganesh Patel. I am a mechanical engineer. I was working from 8 plus years in the mechanical domain. So it was too difficult for me to switch my field to data science. Fortunately, I came across AlmaBetter and their full stack data science program. I have secured my job offer in Finquest. I was looking for the institute where I can enhance my knowledge in data science field so that I can build a career in the same. At that time, I was came across this AlmaBetter's full stack data science program where the pay after placement model attracts my attention, and they are providing 100% placement guarantee, which makes me to believe them. AlmaBetter's curriculum stands out amongst the all other courses just because they had added all the required things: one-to-one mentorship sessions and real-time capstone projects were a big add-on in the course. While talking about their placement drive, it's one of the good asset they had, just because they train the students and in such a way student will not face any issue in the industry also. So that just because they had some mentorship sessions also and resume building sessions. My favorite was the mentorship session just because that builds the confidence to be stand out in actual interviews. I would like to suggest everyone, if anyone wants to become a data scientist, then you can go for AlmaBetter just because they are offering so much knowledge with 100% guaranteed placements. It is difficult to switch the domains, and AlmaBetter becomes a big helping hand for me to make it possible. Thank you.